Welcome to ADMN1101 Keyboarding and Skill Building 1. My name is Megan Clayton and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this video, I just want to give a brief overview of our D2L course and how our course will be working this term. So on the course homepage, we have the news feed. So I will be posting news items regularly, at least once a week. So please make sure you are checking back often so you don't miss any important information about our course. If I click on content, I'll come to the course content table of contents, and I'm going to look in the course outline and syllabus section, and I'm going to click on our course syllabus. The course syllabus is one of the most important documents for our course. It's going to give you the course schedule, so when things are due, and talk a bit about how you will be evaluated in this course. One of the other things that the course syllabus has is contact information for some key people. So the first one being me. So you can contact me via D2L email. Please remember that you can only email in D2L to other D2L email addresses. So please don't try to email my D2L email from your external email account or vice versa. And my phone number is also here. In the online delivery officer, right now we just have a placeholder for the name. That's because the person who is usually the ODO for this course is going on maternity leave in the new year. But hopefully by the time the course starts, I will have someone, a name here for you. But regardless, the email address and the phone number will remain the same. We also have the contact information for Anne-Marie Dixon, who is the program chair for this course. For this course, you do need to purchase a textbook. You need to purchase the textbook Keyboarding and Word Processing Essentials, Lessons 1 to 55, with the Keyboarding and SAM access code. You must purchase a new textbook for this course that includes the access code. Please do not purchase a digital version of the textbook. The hard copy is required. And please do not attempt to register your SAM account before you've received information from me on the first day of class. That's because I have to register you and put you into our specific section, so please don't do so before I've given you the information. But what's most important that you remember is that you purchase a new textbook with a new SAM access code included. We will also be using typing.com in this course. Again, please do not register in typing.com. I will be adding you to our section in typing.com, and I will provide you with your login information in a few weeks. For this course, you should have a full-size keyboard, so please don't try to do this course on a tablet with a keyboard, for instance. You need a full-size keyboard. And please make sure that you have read through the software requirements. Make sure that your computer is up to date so that SAM will work for you as seamlessly as possible. The performance evaluation outlines how you will be assessed in this course. This course is broken up into two main categories: the completions in SAM, which are worth 40% of your overall grade, and your 3-minute timed writings, which make up 60% of your course grade. You will have a completion due every week of this course, and you can see that on the course schedule. So each week there will be a list of what lessons you need to complete in SAM or typing.com, and that will be when they are due by. The completions are graded on a pass-fail system. If you complete all of the required lessons for that completion by the due date, then you will pass that completion. If there are any missing lessons that you did not complete, you will fail that completion. So it's important that you are completing everything required that week before the due date. The most effective way to improve your keyboarding speed and accuracy is to type on a consistent basis in short spurts. So I don't recommend waiting until the due date to complete all of the work for the completion all at one time. The best way to improve your speed and accuracy is to break up your keyboarding sessions into several short sessions throughout the week. So you can see each week you will see the list of what you need to complete that week, either in SAM, which are the lessons, or typing tests in typing.com. We will, at the end of term, I will look at your 3-minute typing test in typing.com, and I will take the average of your 3 best timings to calculate your grade for your timed writings, which is 60% of your grade. In order to pass this course, you must complete at least half of the completions. So just because the timings are worth 60% of the grade, that doesn't mean you can only complete timings and not complete any of the completions. You have to successfully complete at least half of the completions in order to pass this course. There is no final exam in this course. However, I do reserve the right to require a supervised typing test if I find that your timed writings are inconsistent with your previous typing. So in general, when you are in keyboarding, while you should see some gradual improvement throughout the term, I shouldn't in general see drastic improvement from one week to the next. So if for instance one week you were typing at 18 words a minute and the next week you were typing at 60 words per minute, I would have some questions as to how you achieve that. So that might be an instance where I required a supervised typing test so that I could confirm your technique and your speed and accuracy in person. However, that rarely occurs. For the most part, I'll be able to see through your completions and timings throughout the term that gradual improvement. This is the scale that we are grading on. So you must achieve a minimum of 28 words per minute with a minimum of 98% accuracy in order for a timing to count. A goal of 31 words per minute, which is a C, it should be your speed goal, and anything above 38 words per minute and at least 98% accuracy will be an A+ in this course. Please read through all of this information in the syllabus so that you have a good foundation of what we'll be doing in this course. The other thing I'm going to show you in the content is the learning modules. So each sort of section of the course, we have Module 1, Getting Started, Module 2, Alphabet Keys, Module 3, Learn the Number and Symbol Keys, and Module 4, Skill Development, has some learning activities for you to complete. So sometimes students just get really focused on only going into SAM or typing.com and completing their keyboarding and forget to come back to D2L and check the resources out there. But please remember that there are resources in here. There's some videos and some articles that will help you to improve your keyboarding technique. So don't forget to check back to D2L often. If you have any questions as you are working throughout the term, please don't hesitate to send me an email or give me a phone call, and I'll be happy to help you. But what's important is that you are following the course schedule. If you think that you are going to be late completing a completion and you have a valid excuse for that, please reach out to me before the due date for that completion. Otherwise, as I mentioned before, completions will be graded on a pass-fail. You either completed everything required or you didn't. I'm really looking forward to working with you this term, and please don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions you might have.